I've had this footage sitting on my hard drive for months, mostly because I don't know how to explain any of this. Despite what the internet might have made you believe, Japan didn't just wake up one day and decide to make giant pink monuments. Although based on the footage, I can totally understand why you would think that. Kanamara Matsuri actually has a pretty long history. It's held at the Kanayama Shrine, which has been associated with fertility, safe childbirth, healthy marriages, and disease protection for centuries. And now I know what you're thinking. What type of disease protection? All of them? I think we both know which types. The lore involves a husband and wife fighting off a demon very phallically.
Hey, yo!
And honestly, I'm already risking so much by just making this video, so if you want to look up that particular legend, you're gonna have to do that yourself. Today, the festival still celebrates those traditions, but it also raises money and awareness for HIV research and sexual health organizations. So yes, it's hilarious, but it's also a real spiritual and community event. You hear that, YouTube? This is educational. There's not a ton of videos online about this particular festival, so I decided to look up what the official Japanese National Tourism Organization recommends. How old is
5歳。
5歳?
4歳。
4歳? Within about 30 seconds, I realized everyone had committed fully to the theme, and there was zero subtlety. I'm genuinely curious, who designs this stuff? And can you imagine explaining that job to your grandparents? Walking into the festival, I expected giant sculptures, I expected questionable souvenirs. What I did not expect was just how much effort the food vendors really put into the assignment. Like every Japanese festival, there were rows and rows of food stalls. Takoyaki, yakisoba, chocolate bananas, all the regular stuff. With one very obvious difference, and I wish I could say I was more mature about this, but I really was not. Now, Japanese food is known around the world for its elegance, and today was no exception.
We found him. We found Shingo. This is his favorite Matsuri.
Kinda. I can't say no. I'm gay as fuck.
You like the penis festival? I'll be right there.
I like everything I'm seeing right now. レモンサワー2つお願いします。はい。ありがとうございます。
Okay.
That's good.
Alright, what is this?
Oh, it's I don't know. It's a rice. Like there's like a mochi inside of this one,
Yeah?
and like it's wrapped with pork. This is what it's a chicken skewers.
I thought I am I imagining that? 大丈夫?
I just had a bite of raw chicken. You think I'm okay?
生それは
What Bonifacci for you?
No. I was like,
I've never eaten raw chicken until we moved here. I was like, oh, no.
Like any festival, what really makes it an experience is not everything going on, but it's actually just the people. And this was actually the biggest surprise for me because nobody was acting weird. Everybody was just having fun. Maybe this is just my Western brain, or maybe it's the fact that I'm a 15-year-old in a 30-year-old's body, but this one was actually pretty hard to keep my composure, and which almost makes it worse is the fact that there's children running around being more mature than I was.
Behind is the reason why most Westerners come to Asia.
It's a port.
Ika. Squid.
There it is. I don't actually have another joke. It's funny because I came here expecting to find Japan's weirdest festival, and after spending the day there, it honestly just felt like one of the happiest. So would I recommend going to the Kanamara Festival? Absolutely. It was fun, it was exciting, and after way too many innuendos and penis jokes, it's really just like any other festival, as long as you ignore the candy. If you liked whatever that was, I make videos about living in Japan. Sometimes I leave my house and do vlogs, sometimes it's about my akya, sometimes I'm just getting drunk and cleaning my house with you guys. Definitely like and subscribe to see more stuff like this.